Hello, this is Alan Simpson, and I'd like to introduce you to how to add a forum to your Moodle site. So I'm going to go into my courses. I've got this Intercultural Awareness course, added in a picture. These are the topic names and introduction, week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a description of the course, slightly strange formatting, and I want to add an activity or a resource here. It's an introduction, so I'd like the students to have a forum to discuss their knowledge about culture, intercultural perspectives. So add a forum. I'm going to call this intercultural mindset. Describe it. What's your culture? What's an example of another culture? How do these cultures affect cross-cultural communication? The first point I want to write is, what is culture? It's difficult to define. Okay. I'll come down here and I want to go into activity completion. I don't want them to manually mark I've completed it. I want to show as complete when conditions are met. They must view the activity to complete it, yes. Must post discussions or replies, yes. Must create discussions, and they must post a reply. Okay, I don't want to enable the date. Save and return to course. There's our activity. Tick. The system marks the item complete according to conditions. Intercultural mindset. What is culture? What is your culture? What's an example of another culture? How do these cultures affect cross-cultural communication? I can add a new discussion topic. Subject, message. And there we go. That's our forum activity added to this topic. Thank you.